Welcome back to Shields Up, home network safety for the rest of us. Over the course of this series, we've covered everything from securing your router to protecting your privacy. Today, we're bringing it all together with a simple home network security checklist. This routine will help you maintain long-term protection and keep your network safe. This series is based off of my new book. If you guys haven't checked it out, I'll have a link in the description for you. It's titled, of course, Shields Up, Home Network Security for the Rest of Us. Start with your router, the heart of your network. Add these to your checklist. 1. Verify that the firmware is up to date. 2. Check the list of connected devices for any unauthorized ones. 3. Ensure your network is using WPA3 or WPA2 encryption. 4. Confirm that your guest network is properly configured and isolated. Your router's health is critical for the security of your connected devices. Next, review all devices on your network. Identify and disconnect any devices that you do not recognize. Update the firmware or software on all smart devices, such as cameras and speakers. Update your operating systems, apps, and antivirus software. Keeping devices up to date is one of the simplest ways to close security gaps. Passwords are your first line of defense, so add this to your checklist. 1. Review and update weak or reused passwords. 2. Ensure two-factor authentication is enabled for sensitive accounts. 3. Use a password manager to generate and store strong, unique passwords. By updating passwords regularly, you can stay ahead of potential breaches. Add a quick traffic review to your checklist. Use tools like your router's admin interface or apps like Glasswire to look for unusual activity, such as unknown devices or excessive data usage. Early detection of unusual activity can help you respond quickly to potential threats. Security is not only about tools, it's also about habits. Your checklist should remind you to adjust privacy settings on new apps or services. Be cautious with links and attachments in emails. Use a VPN when you connect to any public Wi-Fi. Consistency in these habits builds a strong foundation for long-term protection. Finally, schedule regular reviews of your checklist. A monthly routine is ideal, but adjust based on your needs. Make sure to revisit your setup whenever you add new devices or change your network configuration. This way, you'll always know where to start and what to do. Let's recap your home network security checklist. 1. Check and update your router settings and firmware. 2. Review and update all connected devices. 3. Audit and strengthen your passwords. 4. Monitor for unusual activity. 5. Reinforce good security habits. 6. Schedule regular reviews and updates. By following this simple routine, you can maintain a secure home network with minimal effort. In the next video, we'll look at real-world examples of why these steps matter. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you there.